Katia Selinger.
Yes.
These are your favourite things. Number 1, favourite musician.
Brenda Flowers. The Killers, the band.
The band is The Killers.
Yeah, the singer is Brenda Flowers.
His name's Brendan?
Brendan
Flowers of The Killers.
Yeah.
That's your favourite band?
Yeah, The Killers.
And for all time?
All time.
It's one.
I
That's
listen
both.
all the
It's
time.
your favourite band now, and it'll be your favourite band for all time.
Yeah, ever.
The Killers.
The Killers.
Number 2, favourite song album.
Smile Like You Mean It.
I love you're so decisive. You know how difficult that is? People just can't. They're overwhelmed. I mean, to pick one song. Say that again.
Smile Like You Mean It.
Of
It's
what
from
album?
The Killers.
Which album?
It's the Human album. I think it was like the Human song from The Killers? No.
But I will now, because I'm going to go
Yeah.
and listen to it afterwards.
Smile Like You Mean It. It was one of the classics of the band. And
Are they an English band?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
You're a fanatic.
Not a fanatic, but I listen to all the songs, but I don't know the story about it. But like
Okay, you don't know the
the
background.
band story.
Okay.
But I know all the songs.
Great.
Yeah.
So the favourite album was Humans.
Humans.
Okay. Favourite movie recently that you might have seen and of all time?
Recently, I think I like. It's a Marvel movie,
Good.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Guardians of the Galaxy 2.
Yeah,
Did you prefer 1 or 2?
the one.
Me too.
The one is
Number
was
one's much better.
surprising. Yeah,
Exactly,
always.
exactly.
Because the 2 was much more of the one.
It was, but the beginning of 2, that opening sequence was pretty genius.
Yeah, it was.
That was the best
it
thing
was,
about the
it
movie.
was,
That was the
it
best thing.
was.
It was downhill after that.
The mini Groot. Oh,
It was amazing.
So amazing.
That was an amazing
Cutest.
sequence.
Yeah.
Favorite. Oh, and is that of all time? No, that's
No,
recently.
my
Okay.
all time is Moulin Rouge.
You freaking know this stuff.
Yeah, I've watched Moulin Rouge like more than 20, 30 times in my life.
So-
Always.
So, favorite TV show?
Favorite of all time is Friends.
Yep. Well, that's your. This is my third Friends, or maybe even fourth Friends. So it must be a generational thing.
What do you mean? Like
You're the third or fourth model who's liked Friends.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
And all the jokes and the moments of my life, it always reminds me of Friends. Like, do you remember that time? Always. So I have a lot of friends of mine. They are not models or anything. They're like just normal people.
Good. You know normal people too. That's very heartening
very
to know.
good. And I know they like it too. So sometimes when I say like, you know what happened to my day? Like, do you know that episode in Friends? Blah, blah, blah. They're like, yes. Did it happen to you? I was like, yes. They're like, oh my God, it's so funny.
So it's a reference point that everyone understands.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, great. I love that. Favorite actor? Okay. So Friends is now or for all time?
Yeah.
It's both. Favorite actor?
Benedict
Cumberbatch. No.
Love him so much.
You're one of the Cumber bitches.
Cumberbitches, I love it.
Right? You're a Cumberbitch. I don't see it myself personally. I think he's got a very weird face.
He has a very weird face,
What
but
is it
he's
about him?
charming.
It's the charm?
He's charming, and he's a very good actor.
You like him. You
I
get it. You get it.
I love it, and
Okay,
when he's in a movie,
Give me a movie that you would have liked with him in it.
the last one was a movie. I don't remember the name of the movie, but I remember they had to solve a Russian code. No, not a Russian code. It was German code.
Oh, right.
Do you
The
remember?
code breaking one.
Yeah, the code breaking one. I
Yes.
think he was unbelievably
Can't remember.
insane.
You loved him in that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's lovely. That's our first Benedict Cumberbatch in the house. Favorite actress?
Nicole Kidman.
From Moulin Rouge.
For Moulin Rouge,
Okay,
yeah.
is that your favorite? Therefore, is that your favorite part that she's played?
Yes, but I really liked the Big Little Lies that she did, like this.
And she got the
she got the award,
Golden Globe for
the Golden Globe. It was very nice. I loved the Big
series.
Little Lies. Did you watch it?
I saw a couple.
A couple. I
It's
loved
tough.
it.
It's
I
difficult
loved
for
it.
me to get into series. It's very...
I can get it in like very easily.
Oh, yeah.
I watch all the...
You binge watch.
Yeah.
You do. Okay, favorite model?
Raquel Zimmerman.
Katia Zimmerman. She's wicked. I have photographed her when she was literally starting out.
Really?
Yes, for an H&M campaign.
What an honor. Oh.
H&M.
H&M.
Yep, and I didn't. And forgive me for saying, but out of the people that we had cast, it was a group thing. It was like kids hanging out at an apartment for H&M, and she was my least favorite because she was the most commercial back then in the 90s.
Commercial.
She's like a pretty Brazilian girl.
That's weird because when I see her, I don't see her as the pretty as Giselle does all the time with the hair and stuff.
Yeah, but back in those days, she must have been about 15, 16.
Ah, okay.
Right?
So she's like the blonde.
She's
with
the blonde, pretty Brazilian.
Light eyes, yeah. Brazilian,
But she made up for it. She's one of my favorite models now.
Yeah, so we have something in common.
She's had an amazing career.
Raquel. Yeah, she has.
And I follow her on Instagram, and I love her sort of hippy dippy, new agey,
yeah, exactly. I follow her
yogi kind of traveler vibe. She's
I
very,
like it.
very cool girl.
Yeah.
Love her. Shout out to Raquel, man. She's one of the greats of our time. Favorite designer?
Alexander Wang.
Alexander Wang gave you your first New York break.
Yeah.
Wicked. Favorite accessories? Okay, you'll be good at this. Shoes, bag, sunglasses, in that order, please.
That I own?
Yes. Or that you would want to own, or that you, given the choice, you would wear these things as much as possible. Favorite shoe brand? Stuart, what's his name?
Stuart something. No, that's my favorite shoe. My favorite shoe brand is... Oh, if it doesn't come that quick, it's not a favorite.
Yeah,
I think like for shoes, I like Zara.
Zara
really.
for
like,
shoes.
For shoes.
Wicked. Bags?
Bags, I like the Dior ones. I like the...
Dior?
I like the Chanel ones. But the classic ones, not the new ones.
Is that the baguette ones, the little ones?
Yeah, the little ones. The classic ones.
And sunglasses?
Sunglasses. I love the... Like for me, when I want to buy, I always go to the men section. So
Good.
I like... my last one was like a Dior
Mans. So
and
when
I really
I'm choosing this for the website, I go the Dior Mans glasses.
Yeah, Dior men's glasses. It's always, it always has been then, like always go to the men section of Dior and always fit me perfectly. That's what I buy.
Cool.
Yeah.
Love that. Favorite makeup? Do you wear it?
I don't have a favorite one, but I just go to Sephora and I...
What would it be? If I have to put something on the bloody website, what am I putting on?
You can put Giorgio Armani because I like the...
So concealer?
Yeah, the concealer of Giorgio Armani is the one that I always go after.
That's the one then?
Yeah, that's
Done.
the one that I go after.
Favorite perfume?
Chloe Love.
Chloe Love.
Yeah.
Nice. And favorite shop store?
Net-a-Porter.
Net-a-Porter? Online. So that's the favorite store and online store in one?
Yeah, because we don't go shopping that much when you're modeling. The least thing that you want to do is go and try clothes all the time. So we are like very fan
of the net.
Of the online shopping.
I didn't know. That's great. Favorite city, place to live? If you had to, you'd live here full time.
Forever.
You found your home.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, that's loud.
London. I like London, but sunnier. I like this style.
Yeah,
It's sunny, so.
Fantastic. You're in the right place, babe.
Yeah.
Favorite restaurant?
Favorite restaurant?
Anywhere.
Oh, my favorite restaurant is it's called Nagayama, but it's in São Paulo, Brazil. It's a sushi place. Very nice.
Does that make sushi your favorite food? Or I always say it's the last meal that you're going to eat on earth before they execute you is going to be?
Ice cream.
What flavor?
Cookie dough.
Cookies dough. That's different from cookies and cream. My daughter Tallulah likes cookies and cream. Cookie dough, that sounds really...
But the Ben & Jerry's one.
All right, let's get specific. Ben & Jerry's cookie dough, you can eat tubs and tubs of that, can't you?
Forever.
Forever.
Mm-hmm. Till the earth explode. I'll
I love that. You can't because you'd never work again.
Yeah, of course.
But if you could, you would.
If I could, yeah. If the earth was about to explode, and I would get like, could you get me that Ben & Jerry cookie dough, please?
Could you
quickly
eat that every day?
No.
You'd get bored. You'd get bored.
Yeah.
Okay, but
probably. Just because I can't, that's why I like it, I think.
I know you now. You want what you can't have.
Yeah.
All right. That's great. Favorite holiday destination and hotel?
My favorite holidays were in Budapest.
How surprising.
It was very nice to do.
Was it the Grand Budapest Hotel?
No.
Did you see that film?
But like the
Did you ever see that film?
Yeah, I saw, of course.
Yeah. Ralph Fiennes was great.
Yeah, yeah. And my favorite hotel actually is one in London. It's called Soho. Soho Hotel. Yeah.
Is it the Soho Hotel?
Yeah, in London.
In London. Wicked.
Yeah.
Okay. Favorite exercise?
Running.
What distance?
I do like 5K every day.
Every day you run a 5K?
Yeah.
Every day?
Every day. When I don't, I feel so guilty that I didn't. The other day I tried to compensate.
Wow.
And then I do like 7, and then you're like,
what's your pace?
Okay. I don't know. I do in kilometers, but mostly it's like 10
kilometers.
10. I think it would be like 5.9.
That's very fast. A 5-minute mile? No way.
5.6 my pace. No, it's always running. I never walk. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're a runner. Favorite animal pet?
Dogs.
Which one? Breed?
Mine. No.
You have a dog?
Yeah.
You do?
I know. My mother's place.
But I thought you might have one of those little toy dogs that models had travelled the world with, right? They always had their little toys.
That looks like a teddy bear,
or something.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
No, I don't have those.
So what?
But I have one that it's in my mother's place, but it doesn't have any
breed. He's a mutt.
Yeah.
And you love him. What's his name?
Pegasus.
Pegasus. Wicked. The flying dog.
Yeah, the flying dog.
Nice. Shout out to Pegasus. Favorite social media? Last one.
I hate all of them.
You hate them all. You wouldn't go on social media at all if you couldn't. If you had.
If there was
no,
didn't
you would
have,
be happy.
Yeah.
You'd be
if my
relieved.
agency wouldn't call me and say like you have to, I was gonna say like.
Now, what is it about that you don't like? Is it that you don't feel comfortable in a narcissistic bubble?
I feel everybody's lying all the time.
It's the phoniness of it.
And also, like, when I'm hanging out with my friends, they're all photographing the food or doing stories
so
like, hi! And then they are smiling like, look at me, I'm here with my friend Katia. And then they turn off the phone and they're like, so what are you talking about? Like, you were so happy at, like, 2 minutes ago, like, doing the stories, like, hi, having fun with my friend Katia. And then they turn it off and it's like,
you don't like the phony baloney.
You want the dessert or not? And I'm like, what? Okay, yes, ice cream, please. Ben & Jerry's.
Ben & Jerry's. Bring me Ben & Jerry's now. That's so great to appreciate that the phoniness, you don't like the contrivance of it.
Yeah, actually I have my agency calling me all the time to say like, yeah, you don't post since like 2 weeks. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to post something.
They would encourage you to post every day.
Not every day, but at least, for me, they say at least once a week. Because I don't...
And what about in the stories? Do you prefer the normal feed to a story? Or what?
I prefer the stories because it's easier.
It's gone
they
and
say
comes,
like,
goes.
Yeah. So it comes and goes, and what are you doing? Actually, whatever you do, you can become a story, so...
Yes.
You just do and it's fine.
So were you happier before all of this stuff?
I was happier. I think people...
Are we all suffering? We're all going to suffer a consequence for living online and not being present in our own lives.
I think we are going to suffer a lot, and with all these influencers, I don't see it. Influencers of what? Like they just... They give what they like, what the brand wants. Like they say it's the best product.
Again,
and because they are getting it for free. So it's not an influencer or... Not because they like it. It's not because they like it. They're gonna advise you to wear it. It's because they are having it for free. They're gonna
Or even more than that, they're being paid.
They're being paid
a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot to say that it's great.
Yeah.
So influencers of what? I don't like this.
I love that about you. You have such integrity. Katia, you were wicked. You were amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing so much of yourself today.
A lot, yeah.
And a good old chat.
Thank you.
We'll see you again soon.
Nice.
This will be on YouTube.
Perfect.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
See you, everyone. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.
Bye.